taking photo booth pictures.
You're going to take photo booth pictures.
Me too.
Me free.
I don't want photo booth.
You need to take photo booth pictures or else I'll kill you!
Fine.
Now take some pictures or else I'll kill you!
Alright. Hey, stop it!
Baby, what did you got?